Hi everyone and welcome to Hitch Collections channel. I have today a wireless conference speaker from Balila company. It's the CM-100 and I hope that I'm pronouncing the name of the company right, Balila or Balila, but for today I will use Balila. Okay, so in the beginning, as usual, we have to open the box and see what comes inside. So let's start with that. When we open the box, first we will find a user manual explaining step-by-step setup. And two packaging layers. Let's start from the base. And here we will get the main device. A USB-C to USB-C connection cable, and 1 in 10 USB cable. A USB-A to USB-C converter, on the top packaging layer, we will get 5 receivers with TRS connection. And 5 wireless transmitters as well. And now, let's explain every part. The USB cable comes with nearly 1 meter length, built from strong material. To charge the 5 transmitters and the 5 receivers at once, we definitely need this Spider 1 in 10 USB-A to USB-C charging cable. The charging time is 1 hour to give 10 hours talking time. This converter can be used in case we don't have USB port in our computer or notebook. The RX unit or the receiver has an indicator LED light on the front and USB-C on the side for charging. And we will find the power button on the other side. The RX uses flexible TRS terminal to be connected to the base unit or the speaker. The TX or the transmitter has indicator light on the front as well, and a microphone in the top. And a power button as well on the side. The TX can be charged by the USB-C port on the bottom. The TX has a fixed clip to be hanged on your shirt. And now let's move to the main device. On the top there is a speaker and volume control buttons and the mute button with an indicator light. It has USB-C port for connection to the computer, and the 5 of TRS female ports on the side for the 5 RX units or the receivers. The walking range for the microphone can be up to 20 meters, and the speakers can walk around freely for presentation while they can hear each other without raising their voice at all. How it works? Simply start by switching on the RX unit and the indicator will flash waiting to be connected to the transmitter. Then connect the RX to the speaker. And then turn on any one of the transmitters and automatically it will be connected to the RX unit or the receiver. We will do the same processing to the other units depending on how many people will be in the conference. the first microphone already connected, and now I will connect the other microphones by switching them on one by one, and automatically they will pair with each receiver, or you can start by turning on the receiver first, and it will work in both cases. Now I will connect it using the USB-C cable, and the other side to be connected to the computer by USB-C, or use a converter to be connected by the USB-A. As you can see, the computer detected the device without any software or driver. After this, we have to change or tell the whatever conference software we use which input-output device we will use, which is USB phone. While in conference, we can mute all the microphones by clicking on the mic mute button on the speaker. The conference speaker and the microphone can effectively block noise and eliminate the echo as well. In the end, I want to thank Balila company for sending me this product for review, and I hope if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for your time.